Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can change all your phone language to your own language. For example, you may want to use all your phone and everything in your own preferred language. You can do that. Simply, you can change the language from default English to your preferred language. I'll show you this on Android mobile. And first, click on your phone settings app, phone settings, then search for language and input. For some mobiles, language and input will be directly available here. For few of the latest mobiles, it will be under additional settings. Click on additional settings and see here language and region. So tap on language and see here, click on edit here. Click on edit, and now English is the default, and now you can search for your preferred language here. Whatever the language you want, you can search it, or you can look from the list available here. See here, this is the list. So for example, if I choose one language, you need to click on this plus symbol here. Yes, and everything now changes to the language which you set. But see, I again just now changed to English, but this is how simple you can change your preferred language, and everything after that it will appear in your preferred language what you have set. And whenever you want to return back to English, all that you need to do is just you need to click on your phone settings and search for this additional settings. And remember, this additional settings will also be shown in the change language, so you need to know what it would be called as additional settings. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.